You dream it, we make it happen. Welcome to My Kitchen Worktop. We're not just a company. We're creators, innovators, and passionate craftsmen. We turn dreams into reality, one kitchen at a time. Nestled in the heart of London, My Kitchen Worktop has been transforming homes with exquisite craftsmanship and exceptional service. Every kitchen tells a story. A story of early morning breakfasts, late night snacks, family gatherings, and precious moments. At My Kitchen Worktop, we help you create a space that's not just functional, but truly yours. Our journey begins with the careful selection of high-quality materials. From the pristine whites of Italian marble, to the bold and unique patterns of granite, and the luxurious depth of quartz and porcelains, we offer an array of choices for every style and taste. Each material is not just a slab, but a piece of art, carefully selected and meticulously crafted to enhance the beauty and functionality of your kitchen. Our highly skilled craftsmen then breathe life into these materials, cutting, shaping, and polishing each piece to perfection. Every cut is precise, every finish is flawless, a testament to our dedication and attention to detail. And the journey doesn't stop at installation. We provide unparalleled customer service, a team of friendly professionals ready to guide you, advise you, and ensure your satisfaction at every step. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to the voices of our satisfied customers. Their words echo our commitment to quality, our dedication to service, and our passion for excellence. At My Kitchen Worktop, we don't just create worktops, we create the heart of your home. A place where memories are made, laughter is shared, and life is lived. My Kitchen Worktop, where your dream kitchen becomes a reality. Get in touch today and embark on a journey of transformation with us. www.mykitchenworktop.co.uk Telephone +44 203 078 8912